Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file sales tax in QuickBooks Online. First, ensure your sales tax settings are accurate. Navigate to the Taxes menu, then Sales Tax. Here, you can review your tax agencies and rates. It's crucial to have these configured correctly to ensure accurate tracking of the sales tax you collect from your customers. This initial setup is the foundation for smooth filing. Before filing, always review your sales tax liability report. Go to the Reports menu and search for Sales Tax Liability Report. This report shows the total sales tax collected and the amounts due to each agency. Carefully compare these figures with your records. Look for any unusual numbers or discrepancies that might indicate an error in your transactions. A thorough review prevents issues later. Once you've reviewed your reports, it's time to file and pay. In the Sales Tax Center, select the period you're filing for and click Prepare Return. QuickBooks will guide you through recording the payment. You can choose to pay electronically or mark it as paid if you've paid outside QuickBooks. Always confirm the payment is accurately recorded to keep your books balanced and compliant. Remember to always file your sales tax returns on time to avoid potential penalties and interest charges. Maintaining meticulous records of all sales tax collected and paid is also vital for audit preparedness. This ensures you have all necessary documentation if ever requested. For more helpful tips and resources, check the description below for links to other deals, including that great car air freshener. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.